Hey guys, it's your man Ismail the Kidna here. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Housefull 4 theme on the xylophone. So I'm going to be showing you which notes how to play the song. So here is listen. So pay attention to this. So first you have to go with G, C, D, C, G sharp, G. Now we're going to play that two more times. And after the third one, here are the next new notes. Then you go F, E, F, E, C sharp, C. Now we're going to do that again. Okay, now these notes are going to be different compared to the first section. So here we go. So now you go C, D sharp, F, D sharp, C, then press A sharp 3 times. Then you do it again. C sharp, C, D sharp, F, D sharp, C. Now we're going to do that again. Now, this time we're going to try and do the whole song with all those notes. Now, for the end, we're gonna. So this one's gonna be like a bit of a harmonic scales, but this time, but we're gonna skip one bar though. So, so this is how it's gonna work. So we're gonna press those notes. So we're gonna press them like 2 times. So first we'll start with C, C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. Now this time I'm gonna play the absolute all the full of the song. So here we go. So that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial, and I'll be doing other more tutorials soon. So thank you all for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, turn on the post notifications, and watch more of my other tutorials soon. Thank you all for watching, and this is Shmo the Kidna signing out.